Just going on the first walk I've been on in ages. Haven't seen the beach for like over a week, I don't think. So I thought I'd better head on down, suss it out, see what's going on. Let's go. It's a bit of a windy old day today. It's actually it's quite cool. I've only got a shirt on too, unfortunately. Wish I had a jumper. Oh man. Look at this cussed beacho. These frangipanis should be starting to, sprout leaves by now. They'll be covered in leaves soon. And then beautiful flowers. It's pretty windy down here. Hopefully you can hear me. But it's nice, the beach looks beautiful. It's really manicured. It's like there's hardly been anyone walking on it. It just looks really nice. Really natural. Not much happening down here today. Can't see any fishes. There's some guy on a kite board out there. No surfers, no swimmers, hardly any walkers. You know, as soon as I left home today, I felt a twinge in my groin. I thought, ah, no. So I walked that out, and now my back's hurting. Old age, mate. It's because I haven't been moving enough. And I ate 700 grams of KFC fried chicken, and I'm feeling a bit in the guts. Tomorrow's food review. By the way, BTW. This hat on today. I did a live stream last night. I was trying on all my hats. Thought I'd choose this one today. What do you reckon? It's pretty nice down here, huh?
I bet you wish you were here.
This azalea's got lots of flowers on it. Okay, well now I've been waiting for this Chinese food shop to open and it's finally opened up. And now I'm just sussing out what they've got. And have a look. Durian. Oh, no. But there's quite a lot of stuff here. Very all Chinese, Filipino, Malaysian, Vietnamese food, all the different varieties of Asian food. So I'll be looking forward to shopping here. Yum, chilies. Mmm. I'm looking for the Kewpie mayo, see how much it is. I'll just use it as my shop anyway, I think. Keep some good local business happening. Oh boy, oh, I wonder if they've got my noodles here. They do. $4. Hubbada hubbada. I'll have to import those still from Singapore. Right, where's the lolly section? That's a funny flavour to have, isn't it? Crab roe flavoured sunflower seeds. Must be a nice flavour, the crab roe. Yum. Now these buns look good. Heaps of different ones. There's bows galore. Cocktail cheese sausage. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah. Well, that's dinner tonight. It's pretty small, but that's all right. I had that huge KFC lunch and I could not, and I already prepared this because I knew I was going to do it. So you see, you're thinking ahead, mate. You got to keep thinking ahead, like pre-plan things in your head. Anyway, that's what I reckon. God, this red doesn't go well with my complexion, does it? Oh God. Anyway, I'm off to the doctor's tomorrow. I'm getting a skin check. Ooh. Let's hope nothing else pops up. There's something, a little black dot there that I'm a little bit worried about, but it won't be one of the bad ones. It'll just be some other thing, you know, old age. Anyway, that's it today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.